Why this bootcamp? We have been doing so much community events, workshops. We have this whole AI residency cohort that is for 20 weeks. Then why have we come up with this 3 days boot camp for 2 hours each, Friday, Saturday, Sunday? It's a weekend where you will be having continuous workshops and you will be learning to do one project and understand the whole life cycle of how you approach a project using the help of AI, how you build your project and the whole process of doing a project, the whole structure. And we have divided it into CPE, compass, prototype, evidence, which we have talked a lot about in this particular thing. So this challenge is something unique and we have converted this into a boot camp. A lot of people don't have time to commit for 20 weeks. They don't have the whole week. They are working professionals, so this is ideal for everyone who's interested to put whatever they have learned into practice. Come with an open mind. In 3 days, 6 hours, you will come up with everything that you have. Even if you cannot join the sessions live, you will have the recording of this whole journey of 6 hours from zero to pro, end to end, how to build a project. Not only just have a working code, but understand the whole software development lifecycle project of doing that. See you on the other side. Thank you everyone for being part of this initial journey and encouraging me to do more initiatives like this.